Welcome to the deep dive. So if your social media feed is anything like ours lately, you've probably been absolutely bombarded by ads for Bella
I mean,
Belts.
constantly. Yeah.
So today, we're going to figure out if bellbelts.com is, the next great accessory find, or if it's just another gorgeous fraud dressed up with some world-class marketing.
And that's the thing. The initial impression is designed to make you stop scrolling. I mean, you land on that site, and the whole presentation is just premium.
It really is.
You're looking at polished professional photography, high-quality models, and a layout that just screams modern fashion brand.
Sure.
They're even pushing bundles and customization with an early Black Friday sale.
Okay, so that presentation is perfect. But the question every smart shopper asks is this just window dressing?
Right.
Glossy pictures can be faked. I've seen plenty of sites with contact forms that go nowhere.
Yeah.
So how do we know this isn't all just surface level? What are the real signals?
Well, that's where we have to dive past the homepage flash. And what's interesting here is the sheer level of detail they provide.
Yep.
Scam operations usually thrive on being vague, but Bella Belts has these clear, functional pages like About Bella, a specific contact section, a really detailed product breakdown.
Not just a generic email address.
Exactly. They even show you high-quality photos of their actual product packaging. That kind of investment in the logistics of the business, it adds immediate credibility.
And I noticed their focus, they only do belts and accessories. But wait, isn't specializing in just one thing a bit risky? Does that signal a quick flip, or is it more like confidence?
No, I think it signals investment. You know that feeling when you're on a site selling like nice belts right next to phone chargers and resistance bands?
Yeah, you close the tab
You
immediately.
close the tab. Bella Belts avoids that classic drop shipping mistake. Niche stores are almost always more trustworthy because they have to be. Their survival depends on the quality of that one single thing.
Right. Speaking of quality, let's talk volume. Our source material pointed out a surprisingly large number of reviews, over 2,000 written right on the website. Now, we always take on-site reviews with a grain of salt, but that kind of volume, that suggests real customer activity, not some ghost brand that popped up overnight.
Exactly. And the product images themselves are consistent with that. They don't look like those, generic manufacturer photos with the bad lighting and the white background.
Floating in space, yeah.
Right. These look like they actually hired a professional photographer, which is a huge investment most fly-by-night operations just skip.
And crucially, the price point feels right.
It does. If you connect all these dots, the pricing sort of reinforces the whole picture of legitimacy. Their entry-level leather belt is, what, around $75?
Yeah, about that.
That puts them right between fast fashion and high-end luxury. It's exactly where a brand that's confident in its quality and branding should be. It's not one of those too good to be true scam deals.
So what does this all mean for you, the shopper? I mean, looking at the whole package, the branding, the transparency, the niche focus, the customer volume, it seems like Bella Belts is a legitimate brand.
It really does.
A real brand with real products and some serious marketing muscle behind it.
That's the core takeaway here. They pass all the visual and structural tests of a real business. But, we always have to add the reminder, shop with awareness.
Always.
Always check for recent, off-site, independent reviews. That's how you complete your due diligence.
Which raises a really important question for you to explore. We've established they pass these complex online tests. But if a sophisticated scam site could perfectly replicate all of these signals, the great photos, the niche focus, the clear contact info, what would be the single easiest factor left to verify its authenticity offline? Something simple you could tell a friend next week.
That's a good one.
That's your assignment as you head back out into the world.